Hey you guys, what's up? Happy Saturday. It's Tracie Jackson here. I just wanted to shoot this quick video because I am so excited. I didn't make this video yesterday. I didn't have a chance. It's been so busy, but I did not want to let time go by without congratulating my success coach, Mr. Jeff Trillionaire Trills, on reaching a certain position in our company to where he is at a guaranteed $3,000, let me not do that, $3,000 minimum residual income within our company. Okay, so congratulations. It's not a surprise how you got there. All right, we know the work ethic that Jeff has. We know that his sacrifice that he makes for our team, Team Trillionaire Elite. And we are absolutely a family, you guys. It is so exciting to see everyone getting promoted, the team just growing, people getting phenomenal results, changing their financial situation. So I am so excited for Jeff, because if you think about it, at $3,000 minimum, you guys, so he's at a point where where he can make no less than $3,000. All right, that's on top of that is aside from everything else that he can generate, all the other income he can generate, because there are multiple ways that we generate income in our program. This thing is so simple, guys. The way that he got there is simply by helping other people, and that's it. You know, I got started it hasn't even been 2 months, you guys, and ever since I got started, I actually partnered up with Mrs. Tracie Jackson, who also got promoted recently. So shout out to Chantel, because she is just a selfless leader herself. Okay, and so I'm excited about her promotion as well. But both of them I have talked to daily since I got started, daily, you guys, because it's not about just signing people up with this thing. We don't just sign people up. What we do is we try to see what people's goals and their vision is for themselves financially. Once we figure that out, we use this program to simply help people reach their goals. Okay, it is plug and play, right? So when you come into this program, we find out what is it that you're trying to work on. Are you trying to get an instant pay raise? Do you qualify for an instant pay raise? Or are you trying to build your credit? Are you trying to repair your credit? Some people are trying to purchase a home. They're trying to get lower interest rates on purchasing a car. All right, so we're able to plug them into our program and simply help them get results. All right, the other part, look, some people are trying to pay down debt and they just don't know where to start. All right, our debt reduction program is teaching people how to really pay down their debt in a fraction of the time. All right, if that's what they choose to focus on, that's where we're helping them. All right, the other side is I've had a lot of people reach out to me about the investment accounts that we also help people to plug them into, which is really, I heard a story and I posted the testimony. I posted a testimony yesterday of an individual who was able to cut his retirement time down by 15 years by investing into the types of accounts that we share with this program, which is a private reserve account. All right, instead of using a 401k or a higher risk account, these people are going ahead and setting up accounts that are no risk and tax-free. Once they withdraw the money, they're able to now become their own bank. So that's what we're showing people how to do. It is super powerful, and it's super simple. People are overcomplicating it, they're overthinking it, and the reason why Mr. Jeff Trills and Chantel and Naja Aldridge and all of them are getting to the point that they're getting to in this program is because they're not making excuses. All right, they didn't make any excuses. They saw the opportunity to help a lot of people, okay, to help a lot of people get what they needed, right? And I've talked to so many people, and what they do is you know, you guys tend to excuse your way out of success. Okay, you excuse your way out of it, right? It's like, okay, people tell me, okay, yeah, I got bad credit, yeah, I need a raise, but you know, they're over analyzing it, and they're trying to come up with every way on why they can't do it. And that's the reason why they won't get the results that they want to get. They're going to stay in the same situation. All right, so This thing is all about educating people. It's not a sign-up game. You do have to put in work if you are wanting to, build some residual income. But you guys, it's not rocket science. I'm working full-time. I'm a single mother. I run a business as well. I just started my tax practice this year as well. But I'm doing it because I didn't make excuses. All right. I'm doing it because I'm a nurse. As many of my followers also are nurses, right, that are tired of being overworked and underpaid. Okay, now if you think about where Jeff Trills is at a $3,000 residual income. All right, $3,000 residual income in just 4 months. How many people have the opportunity to replace their income in just 4 months? Some people can do it in 3 months, even if it took 6 to 9 months. You still are able to take control of your finances and to really get yourself out of working that 9 to 5 job if you choose to. Okay, for my nurses out there, I'm doing a call tomorrow. I only have a few slots because I want it to be more of an intimate call. I've talked to several nurses over the past couple weeks, and I want to just connect with them and show them how I'm doing this to prevent from having to work overtime hours. All right, prevent from having to overpay in taxes. Make sure that my credit is top notch so that I'm not overpaying when I don't need to overpay, as far as interest rates and that type of thing. And I'm also showing nurses how they can get out of the rat race if they choose to. All right, I've been in business for about 12 years, the whole time that I've been in nursing, and it's allowed me to, not this business but other businesses, because I understood the power of being a business owner, all right, and having those that additional income that allowed me options to send my son to private school. He's been in private school probably almost his whole life, okay, and that additional income allowed me to not have to worry about those things. Okay, so whatever it is that you want out of this program, you can get, but you have to stop making excuses that you don't have time, that you don't know any people. All right, so there's people everywhere. All right, how many millions of people are paying taxes and they're overpaying in taxes, when the reality is that they could take that same money. People tell me, oh, I like my big refund. Okay, that's cool. All right, we like that you like your overpayment, right? You're overpaying the IRS so that they can invest your money and they can get the profit from the interest that they're getting. When you can take that same money and put it in a private reserve account instead of getting a $3,000 refund, now that money's been building for you over the year, and you can pull out $4,000. Okay, so you got to start thinking smart, you guys. I mean, I don't know how easier I can map this thing out for you, but it's not rocket science. It's just that you got to change your way of thinking about things and stop making excuses about what you can't do. All right, because you can do it if you choose to do it, excuse me, and you can find the time if you choose to find the time. All right, so I just want to congratulate. I know I went off on a tangent, but I am so excited about all the promotions that's been going on in our team. Jeff Trills, I know he's almost at the point to where I believe he's at moving towards a guaranteed $5,200 residual income. Guys, that can replace most nurses' income. All right, you can walk away from your job if you choose to. All right, you can still work PRN, you can still be a nurse and pick up shifts, which is what I am planning on doing when I'm able to walk away from nursing. I'll still keep my license. You guys know we worked hard for that. Right, we busted our butt for that RN degree, and I got so many nurses. Shout out to all the nurses on my Facebook that are just graduating from nursing school, that are either LPNs or RNs or EMTs or whatever. Like, we have a phenomenal career. But what I know from talking to nurses, all right, I work with them. I've worked, with many of them in the past, and I'm connected with, and the problem is that we don't have the freedom that we want to have. Okay, and so what this is an opportunity to get people the freedom that they want to have financially. All right, you want to have time and money, and most people have one or the other. All right, so again, shout out to Jeff. It's a privilege and an honor to work with this gentleman. He reaches out to me every day to make sure that I'm on track to reach my goals, and that the people that I am helping support in this program are on track to reach their goals, and that's why he's having the success that he's having. So super excited for you. I'm excited to see what is to come for MWR Financial and for our team, Trillionaire Elite. Shout out to Naja Eldridge and Chantel Jackson, and all Robin. There's so many people. Sometimes I be rolling, right? I be busy, I be rolling. I can't even keep up. There are so many promotions and so many people locking in, the income that they desire in this program. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Drop a comment. I don't know if you're going to see this on Facebook or YouTube, but you guys have got to see the information for yourself so that you can see how it can really transform your financial situation, okay? So drop me a comment. You can inbox me if you're ready to get started. I know I've talked to a lot of people over the past few weeks, and it's time to stop procrastinating. It's time to take action with what you know you need to do, all right? So I will see you guys soon. I'm about to get my day started. I just finished working out and I am feeling great. All right, so you guys go out and do something great, and we'll talk soon. Take care.